Hey everyone, today's a look at this little combination lock, 5 digits. These are really cheap, and with the die cast body, very low security, in fact probably no security. One of those locks that some people say keeps people honest. So you type in your 5-digit code and you press the shackle release there and bam, it's open. But we're going to decode it. Okay, so the best way I've found to do this is press all the buttons down. You can see they pop out the back and you can push them back. Okay, now to tension the lock, we'll let the lock do it itself. We just press the shackle release. Okay, and then what we do is, working from the bottom where there's the most tension, we just press them in. Press. And you, don't know if you could hear that. You could hear a bit of a click when I press that one. And then see how I'm pressing, but it's not going. There we are. Okay. And we've got 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. And here's the little tag. It came with it, with the combination. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. The thing with these is, get back up, and you have to push them back up to reset it. The code comes preset in the factory, can't change it, and it's any 5 from 10 digits. So there's actually only, I think, 150 something combinations. And you can enter these in any order. So if we go 8, 3, 6, 7, 2, open, 6, 8, 2, 3, 7. I pressed it down. Not press that one. Anyway, good little bit of fun. I wouldn't use one of these at all, but just a little bit of fun, I guess. Thanks for watching.